So I have
Sir,
started the recording and thanks you for reminding. Okay, yes.
sir, can you explain amount formula, sir? That
Okay. Haven't you seen the video yesterday?
no, sir.
Why not? You must see the video. I explained there. See one thing. Okay, I explained a little bit about it, but see here I'm having 35 minutes. If you are late in the class, wait for some time and try to watch the video afterwards. Because if you are being late, it means that other students also have to suffer because of you. Okay. If you don't
Okay, sir.
understand, okay, and listen one more thing, it's for everyone. If you don't understand anything, ask immediately so that I can explain the whole part, that part. Do not ask afterwards, so that or else I have to explain it again. That's wastage of time. So wherever you have doubt, tell me. As soon as you get the doubt, do ask. This is clear? Okay, so see here, first question is clear to everyone. First question, all the subparts, no doubts, and everyone must do in notebook. Keep doing day. We are doing only 3 or 4 questions, so keep doing them. If you don't get them, do it again. Calculation mistakes, take your time and do it uh, with care. Mainly in these questions, they are very easy questions. Only calculation mistakes may happen since numbers are quite large. Okay, so do it very properly with utmost care. Okay, first question is clear to everyone. Second question, you have got 73 days.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
Yes, sir. 73 upon 365.
upon 365. Okay, that's years. In years you have converted. Now find the interest. That's the simple only then. Simple interest equal to 173. How much it is? 17300. It is PRT upon 100. Rate is how much? 5% per annum.
5%.
5 upon 100 we have. Into time is how much? Time 73 upon 365. Just calculation. Do it. Okay. After 9, 1, don't no need of saying good morning. Okay. And don't type anything there in chat box, please. No need of that. Okay. This is clear. Now do it again. You have made somewhere calculation mistakes, you get the answer. Okay. Third question we have already discussed. Any doubt? Fourth question, fifth question, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
What's doubt? Tell me doubt as well.
No, sir.
No, sir. So when you have the doubt, you have to tell what's the doubt there. Okay. So see your fifth question. I'm explaining. Not coming. Do it again. Okay. Do it again. Somewhere calculation mistakes you have made. So you have to do in fresh page. Okay. That calculation you do in rough somewhere. Again. Do the
Sir,
calculation again. Yes.
sir, in fifth question, sir, I am getting answer 399 upon 84.
399 upon 84. 84, 18, 21. It is divisible by 3. Check it. At last you will get 19 upon 4. You will get, so divide them, you will get 19 upon 4. Okay. Okay, this is correct. You get 19 upon 4. Keep dividing. 3, it is 3, it will go and check for more.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir, come. Sir, 19 upon 4 answer came.
Good. So, see it is
Sir.
divisible by 7 as well. Yes.
Sir, which question is going on? I came now only.
Okay, why you came now only? Those who
Sir,
are
because
entering late, they have to stay quiet for a time being. It's fifth question. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank you,
Sir,
sir.
Fifth
then,
question.
sir,
Yes.
Sir, then last we have to convert it into years. Then
See here,
how?
19 upon 4 years you got. Okay. Now see here, you can convert 4 4s are 16. Convert it in mixed fraction. So it will be how much? 4. How much it will become? 4 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 9. This much years. So it is how much? 4 years. 3 by 4 years means how much? Multiply with months. 3 9 months.
9 months.
Is this clear? Conversion. 4 years, 9 months. 4 years and 3 by 4 years. 3 by 4 years means if you multiply with 12, it will be converted into months. And you get 9 months. Is this clear now? Okay, sixth question. Sixth question is very, very easy. On a little bit thing we have to do. So read the sixth question, everyone. And everyone must have their notebook and pen with them. And they have to solve. Okay, I won't be solving the whole question, you will be solving that. Okay, in how much time will the sum of money amount to? So in how much time we have to calculate. Okay, in how much time the sum of money. So we are provided with sum of money that will amount to 4 by 3 of itself. So if let the principal or the sum of money, let the sum of money be P. So this is the principal. This sum of money is P. Now this amount will be how much? Amount will be how much? 4 by 3 of itself. 4 by 3 of itself means 4 by 3 into P. This much will be the amount. And principal is how much? P. So simple interest will be how much? Amount minus principal. And it will be 4 by 3 P minus P. How much you are getting? You can take the LCM and you will get 1 by 3 P.
1 by 3.
Okay. So simple interest we got. Simple interest we got. Now use the formula. Simple interest equal to PRT upon 100. Simple interest is how much? 1 by 3 P. P is how much? P. Sorry. And rate is given 13 1 by 3. 13 39 40 upon 3 it is. So P into upon 3 into 100 and time is how much that we have to calculate. T. Okay. Either do it like this or you can simply use the formula T equal to 100 into SI upon P into R using this formula only. This is clear? You can do it. Now solve everyone. So P on both sides will get cancelled. Only T is the unknown quantity. So you are having 1 minute. Okay. So this is one way. Other way, simply use the amount formula. Amount equal to P 1 plus RT upon 100. You can use this formula as well, but you want to avoid that one. So go with this and solve. Anyone have doubt? Sorry. Anyone have doubt? Do ask. Anyone who haven't understood it, ask now, or else I won't tell afterwards. Do ask now.
Sir, last step tell again.
Okay. So this is clear. Let the sum of money be P. So amount is given 4 by 3 of itself. 4 by 3 of P. Simple interest, we can calculate amount minus principal. And 1 by 3 P what we got. Now this is the formula. We put everything in this formula. Simple interest 1 by 3 P. Principal is P. Rate you can calculate. Rate is given 13 1 by 3%. Convert it into improper fraction 339 40 upon 3%. So into 40 upon 300 into T. Now P got cancelled. This 3 as well got cancelled. You can. It's very easy now. The time
2 years, 6 months.
Yes. So you are getting 0, 0 get cancelled. Again 5, 2, 5. So this is 1 equal to 2 upon 5 t. T equal to 5 upon 2 years. So either 2.5 years you write or 2 years. 0.5 means half means it is 2
6 months.
by 2 years. 2 years, 6 months. Is this clear?
Sir,
Yes.
how you find simple interest in this question, sir? Can you explain?
How we found? Okay, what is the principle? Sum of money P. This is the principle. Okay, in this question, read it, the question first. In how much time will the sum of money amount to 4 by 3 of itself? Amount to 4 by 3 of itself. So sum of money we are having this much. Now after some time it will become this much. That means it will amount to this much. So on this principle some interest has been charged. That interest when added to this principal becomes 4 by 3p. This is clear? Now we already know amount equal to principal plus simple interest. So you can calculate simple interest, amount minus principal. So 4 by 3 p minus p.
Sir, how 1 by 3 p came? 1 by 3.
How?
4.
You have to go to third or fourth class for that. Yes. How? Okay. How? Okay, see here. Take the LCM. LCM will be 3. Yes or no?
Okay, sir.
Now you got happens. Okay. Minus 3 or 4p minus 3p. Now 1 by 3p. It sometimes happens with me as
Sir,
second class.
sir, how you got 2 years, 6 months, sir, at last?
How we got? Okay, just a minute. So see here, rate was per annum. Rate was 40 upon 3% per annum. So whatever answer we will getting is in years. We got time equal to 5 by 2 years. Okay, 5 by 2 years. It is 2, 1 by 2 years. Or we can write 2 plus 1 by 2 years. 2 years plus half year. 2 years plus half year. Half year you can convert. Half year you also as well know 6 months. 2 years, 6 months. Or you convert half year into 12. It will be getting 6 months. Is this clear?
Sir,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Sir, we can solve it by taking PS 100.
PS 100. Yes, you can solve it. Those 100 will get cancelled. You'll get the same answer. You're getting the same answer? You can take anything. Let the sum of money I have taken P. You can take as 10 as well. 1 as well you can take.
Okay,
100
sir.
as well you can take. Because whatever do that will get cancelled on both the sides. As P got cancelled, 100 as well will got cancelled. Okay. Do next question. Read the seventh question and do it. So everyone has done up to 6th question. Is it clear? Keep doing in class. As well at home as well do it. Each day if you do few questions, you will be good at maths. Okay, 7th question. If the simple interest on rupees 205 in 4 years is this much, find the rate of interest percent PA. This you can do as homework. It's very easy.
Sir, please explain one time second question.
Second question. Okay, who is asking second question? See here. I explained it much in video. Do watch the video first. Okay. And tomorrow come at 8:55. I explained there. Okay. First watch the video because I'm going to ask you.
Okay, sir.
Dushyant, I'm going to ask you first. So 8:55, I am in class. At 9, I will start the class. 8:55 to 5 only I will clear the doubts. Okay. Watch the video. If you don't understand anything, the video will be uploaded. Watch that. Okay. Yesterday for 10 to 15 minutes, I was playing second question. So do watch the video. If you
Sir?
don't understand,
Sir,
yes.
at what time you will upload the video?
See, after 12:10, I get the video. So around 1 or 2, I used to upload. I try to upload it as soon as possible. 12:30, I'll try to upload today. So today, you'll get the video at 12:30. Okay. I'll upload it as soon as I end the class. 12:10 or 12:20, I end the class. Okay. Now see your seventh question. Seventh question is easy. You can do it yourself. Do that as homework. It's very simple. The simple interest principle is given, time is given, rate you have to calculate. Seventh question as homework.
Sir,
Okay.
done.
Okay, good. Now do eighth question. Eighth question. At what annual rate of interest will the sum of money? Okay, this eighth question Anshul will tell how to do. Anshul? 8 easy, Anshul?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me eighth question how to do. First read the question and tell me what you have to do in eighth question. So at what annual rate of interest? So rate we have to calculate. Will sum of money amount to 17 upon 16 of itself in 2 years and 6 months? Okay, tell now. Yes, Anshul, tell me first. What you have to do? Anshul, you there?
Sir, can I tell?
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute, Rashida, you get the chance.
Sir,
Yes,
first we have to take sum of money as 100.
Okay, sum of money as 100 or P we have to take, okay? Okay, I'm taking P for time being. Okay, 100 as well you can take. Okay, then amount will be how much?
100 into 17 upon
Amount.
60.
Okay, so 17 upon 16, I'm taking P. You can take as 100 as well. Okay, now simple interest,
In
amount minus principal. 17 upon 16 minus P. So how much you'll be getting? 1 upon 16P. Okay. Okay, Anshu, you can mute yourself. Thank you. Okay. Now you can calculate. Calculate everyone. Time is given 2 years. At what rate?
2.5%.
2 years, 6 months. So 2.5. Or 5 by 2 you can write. Calculate everyone. Rate you have to calculate.
sir,
Rate
it
formula.
will be per annum.
Yes.
Sir, it will be per annum.
See here, a time we are taking in what? Time is in years. Therefore, rate will be in per annum. Is this clear? Since time is in years, so our rate will be in per annum. Okay, eighth question, do it fast. 1 minute you have. Everyone do it. Eighth question. So simple interest equal to PRT upon 100.
Sir, we
Yes.
can take P as X also.
You can take X, Y, Z, anyone. You can take your name as well. First letter of your name, or you can take your name as well. That will get cancelled. Anything you can take. Okay. So P into R we have to calculate. Time is given 5 upon 2 into 100. Now P get cancelled. Now R you can calculate. It is 7th. 8th question you have to make. So R is coming to out how much?
2.5.
5/2%. So R is coming how much? 5/2. Is this clear? And that rate you have to write rate equal to 5/2%, that is 2.5% per annum. This you have to add as well. Okay. Per annum. Time was in years.
Sir.
It will be yes.
Sir, my answer is coming wrong.
Okay, check it again. You'll get the answer.
Sir,
So
my
see here,
answer
rate
is
will be
coming
how
to
much?
sir, my
2
upon
also.
5. Sir, my answer is coming 2/5.
2/5. Okay, see here, check it. Now 5 pancha.
Sir, that
5
5/2 how came? Sir, that is 2 years and 6 months. Sir, we have to convert
Okay.
it into years.
We have to convert it into years. 2 years, 6 months.
Correct only.
Yes, it will come. So it will be 2 6 half years. It will be 5/2 years or 2.5 years.
Sir, answer coming wrong.
Wrong. Do it again. You get the answer. So it is R equal to 40/16. Now with 4 you can cancel. With 8 you can cancel with 8. So 8 5s are 8 2s are. So rate equal to R equal to 5/2. Now see here, while putting in this one. Okay, now how will be writing the rate? If you are if R is 5/2, that means rate will be 5/2% sign you have to put. Since we have removed here and because percentage sign we already put 100 here. So percentage sign we have to put and per annum as well we have to put. Rate is 5/2% per annum or 2.5% per annum. This is clear? So see here, mainly the students will be making mistakes here in calculations. In dividing, will be making mistakes. So take utmost care. Okay, be very careful. Take your time while cutting them, dividing. Okay, do the next one.
Sir,
Sir, can you explain the last step?
last step.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Sir,
Last
last step, sir. Sir,
rate equal
at
to 5/2.
upside 1 should become now.
Where 1?
Sir, downside there will be 20 into 2 equals to 40.
40. Okay. So it is coming like this. 1/16 equal to R upon 40. So R will be 40 into
Yes,
1,
sir.
that is 40. 40/16. So 5/2 divided by 8. Now write rate equal to 5/2% sign you put per annum. Okay, per annum you have to add. Okay, do next one. Read the question and keep doing. Ninth question you can do as homework. If the simple interest of a sum of money is 1/3 of the sum, it is very simple. Simple interest is 1/3p. So 9th question, do as homework. Start doing the 10th one. Now they are very, very easy questions. Okay, 9th question, do it. 9th question, do as homework. 10th question, you start. Those who have completed is good. 10th question, do it. If the sum of money becomes 915 in 8 years. So what is this 915?
Amount.
Amount it is. It is amount. It is amount. 915 is the amount. Sum of money becomes 915 in 8 years at 2.3/4% per annum. Find the sum of money. Okay, this calculate. This is also very easy. Calculate your 1 minute. So amount equal to 915 rupees Okay. Sorry. So sum of money you can take as P in 8 years. Time equal to 8 years. Rate is 2.3/4% per annum. So it is 2.3/4. So 2 4 8, 8 plus 3, 11/4% per annum. Now which formula you will be using? One formula is this one. Amount is what? P plus SI. Okay, I'm just explaining the formula again. P plus P R T upon 100. P we can take common. So amount equal to P 1 plus RT upon 100. Okay. So this is unknown. P is the unknown. We can calculate now. So put R and T here. 11/4. So 11/4.
Sir, we have to
Time.
use the third formula. A is equals to P bracket
Yes,
1 plus
this I have
RT upon.
explained it. Okay, I have just explained it. You have to use this formula. This you understood how you got. There is no need to remember this formula. If you know this one, you will remember this one. Okay. There is no need to mug up. You will understand this formula. Understood this formula? Now just put it. In mathematics, there is no need to mug up many things. Amount we already know. We understood it. We know now. So put in the formula 915 equal to P 1 plus R is. So go with the proper steps. Write steps and then solve. R is how much? 11/4. 11/4 into time is 8 and this 100 divided by 100. Okay. Now you can divide them. 4 2 So we can keep it 100 or you can divide further. Here is one.
Sir, we can cut 200.
Yes, you can cut. If you want, you can cut or you can without cutting as well. Okay, 50 I have cut it now. 915 equal to P 1 plus 1 upon 11/50. Now solve this one.
61/50.
61 upon 50.
Understood this one? How to do 1 plus you are doing. Take the LCM, 50 will come 50 plus 11. 915 equal to P into 61/50. Solve it further. Take that on that side. So P equal to 915 into
50/61.
50/61. It will be cancelling. Check with what?
15 times.
15 times.
15 times.
Okay, 1, 15 it is coming. Okay. 15 5 sir.
75. 750.
0 you put. So principal is how much? How much rupees
750.
sign you have to put? 750.
750.
At last, what will you write? In question C is written. Find the sum of money. The sum of money equal to rupees 750. That you have to write. One line. Okay. The sum of money equal to 750. Understood this question? So always go stepwise. Do a little work in one step, next work in other step, next work in other step. This how we won't make any mistake. Okay. And mainly see here, in these questions, they usually cut and we get a very simple kind of results. So if you are not able to cut it, check whether you have made it somewhere mistake. Usually they used to cut. See here, it is easily got 61 into 15, we get the answer. So do the next question. Okay, which question we have done? 10th question we have done, 11th you have to do now. 11th is a little bit tricky, okay?
Sir, I have doubt in 10th.
10th, what doubt? I heard most of the part. What doubt
Sir,
you have?
last part I did not understand.
Which part? This one?
Sir, not able to see clear.
Okay, check your connection once, switch off your camera and turn it again like that, you do. So we got 915 equal to P into 1 plus, it was R.
Sir, can we start 11th question?
Yes, do it into 4. Just calculations. Even if you are not seeing the board, you
Sir,
can
can you
know the formula.
explain that how 61 upon 50 came in 10th fraction?
How can? Okay, that you tell me. Okay, how here what we are having? 11 into 8, therefore into 100. Now, by what we can divide? 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, 2 1 ja 2, 5 0 50. So 915 equal to P into 1 plus 11 upon 50. Is this clear now? Now take the LCM. So whole upon 50, 50 plus 11, P 915. Yes, 11th question, do it. Okay.
Sir, it is not clear.
Okay, that's issue with your
Sir, it is
connection.
clear. It is very clear.
It's clear. It's clear from this time.
Sir, clear only.
It is clear. You are having some connection issue at your side. Okay. Okay. See here. Do one thing. This will be uploaded. The video will be uploaded. You can check there afterwards. Okay. Don't worry about this question. Okay.
Sir, when you will
12:30 you will have the video. I'll upload it as soon as I leave the class. Okay. 12:30 you will get the video. 12:10 or 12:20 I used to stop the class. Last class 9. And you will have the video after that. Okay. Now 11th question. See here. We discuss 11th question. Okay. A sum of money becomes 5070 in 18 months. So we are having sum of money. So let that sum of money let the sum of money be P. Okay, I'm taking as P. Let the sum of money be P. Okay. Now sum of money becomes 5070. So this is what amount A 5070 it is. 5070 rupees. In how much time is given? 18 months. 18 months. Okay. This sum of money, it amounts to this much in 18 months. Now convert it into years, it will be how much? Divided by 12.
1 year.
More than 1 year, it will be 1 year.
1 year, 6 months.
6 months.
1 year.
Convert that year. So that also in year. 3 by 2 years.
3 upon 2 years.
3 upon 2 years it will be. Divide 18 divided by 12 years. So you'll get 3 by 2 years. So time we got in years. Okay, this is the first case. Now,
Can we exit?
just wait for, no, you can't exit. Time is remaining. Now see a second. Find the principal, rate of interest and the amount. Okay, and one more thing is given. The same sum of money amounts to 5610. Same money amounts to 5610. This is amount 5610 in 4.5 years. So time is 4.5 years. Okay. Now we have to calculate what? We have to calculate principal. We have to calculate rate.
And
Find the principal, rate of interest, amount after 5 years. Okay. So we have provided this amount and it becomes in 3 by 2 years it becomes this much. Okay, I explain it. I need time for this. Or let's do it tomorrow. Yes, exit. Let me do it tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, it is
Thank you,
difficult.
sir.
No, it's very easy.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
easy. We have the amount here. Okay.
Sir, can we
Sir, how
divide
you
by
converted 18 months to years?
18 months divided by 12. You will get 3 by 2 years. Now see if we
Okay, sir.
separate them, we get the simple interest. 4. We separate the time, we separate. Okay, we'll do it tomorrow. Leave it. It's very easy question, only little bit. Okay. So up to 10th you complete it. Okay. Up to 10th you complete it. Okay. 11th we'll do it tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
And yes,
Thank you,
please put your name correctly. This time I'm not going to put that. I'm putting the name correctly. So put the name correctly. You have to follow this order only. 8 space section space your name. If you are not putting your name correctly, I won't put attendance, and your class teacher may call you afterwards if attendance is not there. Okay. So do put the name correctly. Hridansh, is this clear? Put your name correctly.
Thank you,
can leave
sir.
the
Yes,
class.
sir.
Thank you all. Do complete up to 10. Everyone do complete up to 10. If you make any mistake, do it again. Do the questions again. You get the answer.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you all. Thank you.